Yeah, so our focus areas, as I mentioned, are behavioral health and American Indian health. And it was clear to us as we dove into that work that SBIRT was a core piece of any work in substance use. And so as a new foundation, as we were exploring our strategies and looking at how we were going to make investments in substance use, we always look to other people who have gone before us, people that are leaders in the field, not only in our state, but regionally and nationally. And it became very clear as we started to do our research and make connections that Hilton was a leader in not only the youth SBIRT work, but really in substance use disorders in a more broad context. So we viewed it as a very strategic partnership to be working with the Hilton, not only on a resource standpoint, but also just as a thought leader. So I think Hilton has really positioned itself as a leader nationally. Again, as a newer foundation, we really look to others, not just in the foundation world, but experts that are out there doing this type of work. And really looking at substance use disorders, not in the traditional sense of we have to address it on the end of the continuum. That's always going to be a focus because as a disease, people are going to have various points on the continuum where they need assistance. But Hilton's really been a leader, again, focusing on youth, but by doing so, they've really broadened the focus on SBIRT and substance use disorders as a chronic health issue more broadly to the adult population, and then more systemically for policy, for training, for advocacy. So we really view them as, again, a thought leader and one that we've been able to connect with other people in this space, not only in the foundation world, but also those that are working in other settings, which is an opportunity to network, to be able to be connected to folks as we look at our investments and we look at the things that we want to work on. We now have a growing list of individuals that we can call on and a growing network that's formalizing. It's been very beneficial.